Today we're out on a small creek. We're going to be taking a couple kayaks, me and my brother Bob. I'm going to show you some footage here, and then mostly I'm probably going to just put the camera on my head mount and float down the creek as we fish. We're going to be barefoot because creek banks are just pretty muddy. See brother Bob over there getting his poles ready, barefoot. We got a small creek here that drains into a larger creek, so we're just going to set up here and start. Just came off that bridge through some rapids, and this looks like a nice area to try to catch some channel cat. So we're going to float for a couple hours today trying to dodge some rain. We've had about, I don't know, 40 minutes with no rain, but it's been raining since 2 a.m. and it's supposed to pick up here in about 3 or 4 hours. So we're going to try to take about a 2-hour float, stop and hit some holes, and we'll report back when we get some fish. Got the first bite of the day. We're aiming for some channel cat, eating size. We're floating now. Well, I hope it to be a fishing video, but to be a fishing video, it's got to have fish in it. Right now, it's a floating adventure video. But it don't matter. Adventure is the best part of it. Keep life spicy. Yeah, there's what I love doing. Just sit on like a log jam. Yeah, you're about 3.5 feet deep. You got stickfish. First one of the day. Here's our first one. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, Mr. Channel Cat. I gotta swim to a bank and get a stringer. You gonna meet me at that bank so I can steal that rope off your kayak? We got an eater. That's the goal today, some food. Oh yeah. You think he decided to eat the hook too, didn't he? Oh, mostly. But nice channel cat. Yeah, we got to untie it off there. Unless you want to leave it tied in.
Just caught him on bobber?
Yep. Threw it right under, right out by that tree. And then he smashed it. Might just throw out there again a couple times. Ooh, got a fish on, light duty tackle. Come on, baby, where you going? Where you going, little buddy? Right to me? Right to me? We're tight lining now. We're looking for some pan size eaters today out of some good water. I usually fish these power plant lakes, but today we're fishing a freshwater creek that's got these perfect size channel cat. And then we're going to take them home and eat them. There we go. Still got the bait. And we got dinner. We'll get him on a stringer. See if we can get him on camera. Look at this massive takedown. Oh, 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 oh. I think we missed him. Nope. Oh, yeah, we missed him. Same spot. Bingo. He's back. Oh, come on, where you at? There he is. There he is. He ain't very big, but he's a perfect eater. Oh, he might be snagged. I can't tell if the fish is still on there or not.
Time for a swim?
No, yeah, kayak. I'm kayak out there and unsnag it. Got him. Yep. Look at that. Got him snagged up, got him off the snag, then he'll go home to dinner. Shoo-wee. One hand row, one hand holding the pole. Oh yeah, that's good. Sweet. That's one thing that beats bank fishing, having a yak to go get your snags off. Oh, I didn't get that on camera, but this one hammered it. I mean, as soon as I put it out. Woo-wee! He hammered her. That's a good one. That's the best one so far.
I had a bite and then he went away and the bait's covered. Oh, you got it.
Oh yeah, I learned my lesson last time. I mean, we're talking maybe just over a pound, but real clean, healthy looking fish. It'd be a good dinner. Hooked into something. Another dinner fish. What it is. Another dinner fish. All right, we're about the halfway point of our trip. We just got done bank fishing here at a nice little spot around a bend. So there's this little hole that cuts back. Usually the outside bend of a creek is going to be your deepest one. Some nice structure around here. So we stopped and fished for, I don't know, 15 minutes. Here's our stringer so far. We got 5 nice eating sized channel cat. And we're about to get back on the kayaks and head down river. Or down a creek, I guess, not a river. I'm tight lining off the yak here. Brother Bob caught about a 4 or 5 pound drum a minute ago. Oh, what is it, a bass? That's a shiner. It looks like a shad, yeah. Dude, those are great bait. We should cut him up and throw him on a hook. Let me see. I got pliers. Oh, you got him? What is that? Throw him by my feet. There you go. Yeah. Sweet. Need a hook? Alright, you got the pack of hooks still?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was actually just thinking, man, this looks like a great spot right where Bob's at. And I saw your bobber get smashed. I think my bobber's getting hit and it's just sitting here right by the side of the boat. I missed that one. Oh, I don't know how I missed that. Here's a cool little trick. If you stick your paddle in the mud and then lean it up against your kayak while you're trapped against another bank, you won't move. Hey, did you catch that fish that was right over here? We're still gonna catch this fish I told her was here. I got my worm stowed. There he goes. Decent, decent. You get decent size and good. Might be a little too big for the pan. Mother of Jesus. Got you hooked all kinds of weird. Settle down, catfish. Okay, he got wrapped up good in the line. But now he's off and I got bait still. And now I got a fish. That's number 6. Deer in the creek, climbing out of the water right down here by the log jam. She don't seem to mind us too bad, does she? It's probably like, hey, we got real bad inflation. You got any food? Prices are through the roof for clover. All right, well, we got fish to catch, little deer. Now I hear more deer blowing. Let's see how close we can get to this deer. There she goes. We stopped for a, I don't know, 3rd, 4th, 5th time Stop and get a drink, bank fish. Maybe got 30-40 minutes left before the rain hits. Oh yeah, fish number 6. Right when I was about to pull out of this spot. Another eater, ain't he? About 3/4 of a pound, pounder. Looks like a fun log jam to get through. Part of the adventure here. All right, we're almost to our exit of the creek, so we're gonna sit here and do some fishing at this last little hole. I guess Bob just caught his second drum. And I ain't getting much of nothing, so I think I'm about to go down by him. Yeah, I had one earlier bobbing. You see that fish? What's he, about 3-pounder, ain't he? Nice. These little channel cat here, whenever they're hitting, they just hit, and you got to be on them whenever they take it down. Otherwise, they will take your bait pretty quick. We're just using night crawlers here. I think I got 1/0 hook. Hope I'm getting some better camera angles today. The bite's really slowed down, but we missed the rain. Had a pretty successful trip. It was probably, if you're just paddling, we probably could have done it in 45 minutes. But fishing, obviously, stopping and catching some fish takes a little bit more time. I think we've been out here for 2.5, 3 hours. We got 7 on the stringer, 2 drums, and a piece of bait for later. We just got back on dry land. We're gonna call it a trip. I think we got 6 or 7 keeper channel cat. We're gonna go home and clean for dinner. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care till next time.